Welcome back to Trippin'. It's Brad and Shyla, your favorite tourists. And if you're coming to Alaska or Canada in the summer, you're gonna need these hats.
Who's this? Hi, mister.
Ride passenger.
Wow. First time shotgun? First time shotgun? Oh. Oh, sweet boy. Welcome back, guys. This week's pretty exciting. Tomorrow we are going to Dawson Creek, which I believe is the mile marker 0 for the Alcan Highway, I believe. Don't have service, so I can't check that fact, but tonight we're staying right next to a pipeline, which is pretty crazy. I'm really surprised they let people camp right next to it, actually. You're rocking your new hat?
Yeah. I look ridiculous. I left the tag on it. These are necessary for sure. Brad and I aren't much fans of the bugs, and we have really good blood or something because they love us. So the only way I can be outside for a long period of time is to protect myself. So let's see how it works. I would recommend, if you're coming to Canada and Alaska for the summertime, to get really good bug spray, bug nets, and a hat with a net. And cover up. Long socks. Oh, hi.
Look at this campsite. Look at this. Oh.
Okay, don't rub it.
Good boy. Did you get a stick?
Now with this stick. How about this stick? Ready? Ready?
You're definitely gonna want these hats. These hats are a necessity. Bug nets, everything. They're vicious out here. Unstoppable. Pick these up at the local Dollarama for what, $3.50 each or something like that.
Yep.
It's not a bad deal.
Not a
And
bad
honestly, I might wear it while I sleep because they attack us at night too.
Yep, the only thing that's normally showing are my hands, so my hands have like a ton of bites on them.
It's my ankles.
But
I love it.
that's okay because the beauty here is so worth it. It is gorgeous here.
Got one crawling up my leg right now. It is very beautiful here. It's very interesting that you can stay this close to the pipeline. I assume it's an oil pipeline, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, right
We'll let you
behind
know.
us.
Look at Chief. Chief's big piece of wood.
That's the biggest stick. Almost hit Sophia with it. This pipeline right here. It's just crazy that you can stay that close to one. I don't think I've ever seen one this close. So yeah, this is where we're gonna stay for the night. Van's all tucked away there. I think it'll be really nice. Spots have been great here. There are a lot of places to stay as far as dispersed camping goes, and there's a lot of campgrounds too. We try to stay, we prefer to do dispersed camping. Gets a little tricky sometimes with having some dogs. We like to have space for them to run and play and hang out, and the spots that we've stayed the last few times haven't been that great for being able to run and play. A lot of bush here, but it's nice being able to have Chief have the space and go to the water because he loves water, and the little dogs too like doing exploring as well. Sophia. Hi. Hi, Sophia. Hi, Soph. Hi, Cannoli. Hi. Hi, you having a good time? Have a good day? What about you, Chief? Where's your stick? Chief, where's your stick? Find your stick. Brad made pizza again, which I'm really excited about. And this one is mine. I did a vegan pizza. There's some vegan cheese and mushrooms, basil, and sauce.
That's why it looks weird.
Thanks, Brad.
Mm-hmm.
No, Chief, not yours. There is a bear in our campsite. Oh my gosh. The dogs are freaking out. Chief, can you relax?
Trying to keep him calm. It's not working. He spotted it.
Oh, it's gone. We made it! Woo! We made it!
Made it to the Alcan Highway, mile 0! Woo! So we are in Dawson Creek, British Columbia, and we're at the milepost 0 for the Alcan Highway that we're about to start today, actually.
This is crazy. We are basically going on a cross-country road trip, which is super exciting for us. So
technically, sorry to interrupt, 3-country cross-country road trip. Mexico, US, Canada.
That is true. That is true.
We're going to take the next few days to work our way up to Whitehorse and Skagway, which is our next big destination.
Whoa, and it is a little windy here today.
A little windy.
Okay, so
let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road. Woo! Alaska! So here at the Alaska Highway sign, there is another sign that has a bunch of stickers on it. So we're going to participate in the tradition and we're going to put our sticker on it. Right here. We'll always be a part of Dawson Creek.
Where are we going next?
We need to vacuum this frickin' van. So let's go do that.
What are we doing?
So the van is very dirty and our vacuum broke before we left for this trip. So we stopped at a car wash and I'm gonna vacuum out the van real quick. $2.
So we've been driving about 4.5 hours or so and decided to park here for the night. We're at this cute little lake. We found it on iOverlander. The reviews are kind of mixed. They say don't swim in it because there's leeches, but one brave soul did swim in it. He said there's no leeches after about 2 meters or so. We're not going to get in. It looks like watered down Coca-Cola kinda, but it's really pretty otherwise if you don't look into the water. Shiloh's not having the bugs tonight.
We were just sleeping and Chief's been barking. And our van has been moving. I think that bear has been moving our van.